Welcome to Easy English Listening.
Sarah, are you ready?
Almost. The kitchen is a mess.
Do you need help with those plates?
Yes, please. Wrap them in the bubble wrap.
Like this?
No, use more tape.
Okay, how's this?
Perfect. Did you find the markers?
Yes, they are in my pocket.
Good. Label this one kitchen, fragile.
Done. What about the big pots?
Put them in the big blue box.
It's getting heavy.
I know. Let's take a break.
Coffee?
Yes, please. The last coffee in the old house.
Hey, is anyone home?
Ben, you're early.
I know. I'm excited to help.
We have so many boxes, Ben.
I see that. Where do we start?
The bedroom is finished. Can you take those?
These look heavy. What's inside?
Just books.
Ah, the classic mover's mistake.
We can't leave them behind.
Fair enough. Let's go.
Be careful on the stairs.
Don't worry. I'm a pro.
Sarah, where is the truck key?
You had it last.
No, I gave it to you.
Check your jacket.
Oh, here it is.
You're so forgetful today.
I'm just nervous.
Guys, the truck is open. Let's load it.
Right. Ben, take the heavy boxes first.
I'll take the lamps.
Careful with the glass one.
I've got it.
Hi, Miss Miller.
Welcome, Alex. You look tired.
It's been a busy morning.
I have your keys right here.
Thank you, Miss Miller. Is the apartment clean?
Yes, it's perfect.
Is the elevator working now?
No, I'm afraid not.
Oh no, not again.
Sorry, but the stairs are clean.
Okay, we'll carry it up.
Wait, stop.
What happened?
Where is my blue notebook?
The one with the recipes?
Yes, I can't find it.
Did you check the kitchen box?
I looked 3 times.
Maybe it's in the car?
Let me look.
Did you find it?
No.
What's this under the seat?
Oh, my notebook.
You left it in the car?
Oops, my mistake.
Pizza time.
Yes, I'm starving.
Let's sit on the floor.
It's the only furniture we have right now.
It's a picnic.
Do we have napkins?
I think they are in the truck.
I'll get them.
Sit down, Sarah. Use this paper towel.
Thanks, Ben. You're the best.
This pizza tastes so good.
Because we worked for it.
Hello.
Hi. Are you a neighbor?
Yes, I'm Clara from 4A.
Hi, Clara. I'm Alex.
Welcome to the building.
Thank you.
Do you need help with the door?
Yes, please. It's a bit stuck.
You have to pull it toward you.
Like this?
Yes, you got it.
Thanks, Clara. You're very kind.
Let me know if you need coffee.
We might take you up on that.
Hi. Delivery for 4B.
Hi, is it the sofa?
Yes, it is.
Can you put it in the living room?
It's a bit big for this hallway.
Can you tilt it?
Let me see. Yes, that works.
Careful with the lamp.
I'll move the lamp.
Perfect. It fits.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a great day.
That was the last box.
Really?
Yes, the truck is empty.
We did it.
Ben, you're a hero.
It was fun.
Are you hungry again?
Maybe a little.
Let's go get some dinner.
My treat.
No, our treat.
Let's go.
It's quiet here.
I love it.
Do you have the light bulbs?
Yes, in my bag.
Can you fix the bedroom light?
On it.
Much better.
Everything looks good.
Where is the coffee maker?
I'll find it.
Don't worry. We can do it tomorrow.
You're right. Let's sleep.
Good night, Alex.
Good night, Sarah. Welcome home.